我喜欢中文的汉字，也喜欢中国的歌。我学中文4个月。
3 to 4 months ago, my student Liisa was just getting started. When she joined the program, she even posed this question. I speak Finnish, and because we only have one sound, all of these are tricky. 滋, 吃, 支, 吃, and also the difference between 鸡 and 七. And also, getting the right r sound is hard sometimes because in Finnish we roll that sound. She wrote this about her experience as well. Before this course, I knew the tone, but wasn't able to pronounce them or even distinguish them from each other. I was also very conscious and unsure about my overall pronunciation of Mandarin Chinese. I was too scared or even trying to say anything else than 谢谢 and 不要. My vocabulary was also very few and scattered. Hello, my name is Jeannie. I'm a Mandarin coach. I help Mandarin beginners who stuck at the beginner level to speak their first 5-minute Mandarin conversation within 3 months. When she first started, she was very aware of what she struggled with. Not just Chinese is hard, but specific sounds like 滋, 吃, 支, and 吃. And this is something almost every beginner goes through. But now, let's see how she speaks today.
你好，我叫丽莎，我住在芬兰，我今年19岁了。我的家有10个人，
Yeah.
我的妈妈、爸爸和我的兄弟姐妹。还有什么？
你现在做什么工作？
我现在尝试找工作。
你喜欢中文吗？
对，我喜欢中文的汉字，也喜欢中国的歌。
你学中文学了多久了？
我学中文4个月。
你平时喜欢做什么？
我平时喜欢在外面散步。Like right now.
Yeah.
也喜欢画画和看书。
If you're new to Mandarin, this might sound normal to you. But from a native speaker's perspective, her pronunciation is already very accurate and consistent. And to be honest, most beginners don't reach this level very quickly. So after finishing the course, she reflected on her journey like this. Now, after finishing the whole program, I can tell the difference between the tones and most importantly, pronounce them myself. Yes, I do still make mistakes, but most of the time I can hear when I pronounce wrong and correct myself. I'm no more scared of words that have this sound, 滋, 吃, 支, 吃, 吃, 鸡, 西, 西, thanks to the course. Instead, I quite enjoying to perfect them. My vocabulary is much more connected and collected now, which means I can form simple sentences in Chinese and even hold a short conversation. Actually, for more than the 5 minutes that was promised. So what changed wasn't that she suddenly learned a huge numbers of new words. It was that her pronunciation became stable enough that she could actually speak without hesitation. By the way, if you ever struggle with the sound like 鸡, 七, 西, I actually made a full video breaking them down, so you can check them here. And if you want help with sounds like 滋, 吃, 思 or 支, 吃, 吃, 日, keep an eye on the channel. I will recover them soon. This is also why she was able to improve so quickly, because she focused on the right foundation from the beginning. So I also asked her a few key questions about how she actually approached learning Mandarin, because a lot of beginners struggle with the same question when starting learning Mandarin. Here are the 5 questions we focused on. Number 1, what is so important in learning Mandarin? Number 2, do beginners have to study long hours per day to reach this level if you want to reach really quickly? Number 3, what should beginners focus on first, pronunciation or words or characters? Number 4, do beginners need a native speaker to correct them at the beginning? Number 5, is it really possible to hold a full conversation within 3 months from 0? So now let's hear her perspective.
So much. And can we talk a bit more? So,
Yeah.
learning Mandarin, what do you think is really important?
I think it's important to try to do it every day, though I'm also struggling with that. um, and to find something that's interesting to you in that language. Like for me, music.
Yeah. Do you think you need to learn for a very long time every day? What's your situation?
You can also learn it in, like if you do it every day, then that can be a short time. Because you just repeat the same words and then they start to stick.
Yeah. Do you think it's wise to learn the pronunciation, or do you think it's wise to learn the character or words first?
Pronunciation, because if you learn the characters first, then you still cannot like read them out loud if you don't know how to pronounce them.
Do you think it's useful to have someone, especially at the beginning, to have some native speaker to help you correct your pronunciation?
Yes, I think that's very useful. Yeah, because you can correct me right away, so it's not that I practice and then I later search how to say it, but I get the information right away.
Yeah. So can you tell if you say things wrong, like if without the native speaker telling you, can you tell that you're doing things wrong or not?
I think in the beginning maybe not, but for example, I can tell when I'm saying wrong, even though I don't know how to say better. Like, for example, like how to form sentences or something like that.
Yeah.
Or when the tones go wrong, I kind of know it, but I might not know what's the correct way.
Okay, so you know you did wrong, but you don't know how to correct them.
Yeah.
So remember at the first time when you join the course, and then I tell you within 3 months time, you can have 5-minute conversation with me. At that time, do you think it's impossible to achieve? Like now you're looking back and now, what do you think? Like, is it shocked or because for most of people they were like, oh, it's impossible from zero, like you say nothing to actually have the whole conversation like this.
No, it's not impossible. Just have to follow the course and practice, I guess. Not impossible.
Nothing is impossible. Very good. So how happy were you with your learning journey? Like, are you happy with what you achieved now? 1 to 10. How happy were you? Are you?
9.
9?
I don't know. Always have to be something that you can like, you can be even better. So cannot say 10.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Very modest. Very good. Okay, so if you can have one last thing to say to all the Mandarin beginner, what are you going to say?
When your motivation is low, like just reach out about it or try to find someone else who's also studying Chinese. So you can like connect with someone and share those feelings.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, good.
And then maybe you can find your motivation again. You can do it.
What's interesting is that progress didn't just come from practice, it came from how she changed her learning approach. Once she simplified her method, speaking became much more natural. And as she said herself, so for anyone struggling with Chinese, you got this. It's very rewarding and it's worth fighting for. 加油! If you are struggling with Mandarin pronunciation and tone, I have created a free 7-day Mandarin tone boot camp. So each day you will learn how to pronounce one tone properly, practice them, and even submit your homework to get feedback. So you are not just learning, you are actually improving. You can join this by using the link in the description. So at the end of the video, for all the beginners, I have some questions I would like to know. What is the hardest Mandarin sound for you? Is it 机器西, 支持师, or something else? And also, which part of Liisa's journey stood out to you the most? Welcome to leave comment and share your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.